Hello and welcome to Weelko TV. Today we wanted to introduce you the new beauty chair Clavi. It's especially conceived for facial treatments, but it can also be used for massage. As you can see, it's a large chair conceived for tall and heavy patients. It's a white, elegant chair with armrests finished in natural wood. Its large design gives the chair an attractive look, but it also makes the patient feel very comfortable when sitting or lying on it. Apart from the finishing in wood, the chair has lateral panels upholstered in PVC that match with the rest of the upholstery. The chair is available in 3 motors that adjust backrest, height, and legrest. There's also the 4-engine model that includes an additional motor to adjust the tilt of Trendelenburg position. Paper roll holder is also included. As mentioned before, not only is this a chair conceived for facial treatments, but it can also be used for massage. If you place the chair flat and turn its armrests so that the patient can support his arms on them once he's placed face down. During a massage treatment, the patient can support his face on the breather hole, which is especially conceived to become ergonomic and avoid pressure on the patient's face. The chair has an extensible headrest so that it adapts to different heights of the patients. The headrest is also removable. See you in the next video.